A source approaching with speed u towards the open end of a stationary pipe of length L is emitting a sound of frequency Fs. See, we have an open pipe here. Let's say this is open organ pipe which is closed at one end. So this is the one end, this is another end. Now a source approaching with speed u, let's say this is the source. This source is approaching with velocity u towards the open end of a stationary pipe of length L, is emitting a sound of frequency Fs. This is emitting Fs. The further end of the pipe is closed. Let's say this end is closed. So this is a closed pipe. The speed of sound in air is, the velocity of sound is equal to V, and F naught is the fundamental frequency of the pipe. So this is the fundamental frequency. For which of the following combination of U and S will the sound reaching the pipe lead to resonance? Now we know that in case of closed pipe, resonance will happen only when the frequency is odd multiple of f naught, that is fundamental frequency. So fundamental frequency is given as f naught. Now if the source frequency matches, or if it is odd multiple of f naught, then and then only resonance will happen. Now see, as the source is approaching the, let's say this is the observer, this pipe is the observer. As the source is reaching to the observer, so the apparent frequency, let's say as observed by the observer, is f dash. So first we'll find the apparent frequency, that is f dash can be written as from Doppler effect. This will be V naught divided by VS, right? Now as pipe is stationary, so V naught will be 0. Now this will be minus into Fs. So F dash is equal to velocity of sound V is V divided by V minus velocity of source is U into Fs. This is the apparent frequency. Now if F dash is odd multiple of F naught, then and then only resonance happens. So see, in option number A, U is equal to 0.8 V and Fs is equal to F naught. Let's put the data here. F dash is equal to how much? V divided by V minus 0.8 V into F naught. So F dash is equal to V by 0.2 V, means V by 0.2 V मतलब क्या आएगा 1 by 5. So ये आ जाएगा 5 F naught. Now see, F dash is odd multiple of F naught, means option A is the correct one. Option B, U is given, again see, in option B U is 0.8 V, option C also 0.8 V. So again we can write directly F dash is equal to this 5 into, this is equal to, see, I will write this like let's say instead of putting Fs, F dash is equal to how much? This will be 5 Fs. So in case of option A, we have F dash is equal to Fs is equal to F naught. So the option A is matching. But in case of option B, F dash is equal to 5. Fs is given as 2 F naught. So this will be even multiple of F naught. So this is the incorrect one. In case of option C is U is equal to zero point 0.8 V. So F dash is equal to 5 into zero point 0.5 V no, F naught. So this is equal to 2.5 F naught. So A भी match नहीं करेगा. So option C is also incorrect one. C, option D. F dash can be written as F dash is equal to V by V minus 0.5 V into Fs. So this will be 0.5 V means 2 Fs. 2 Fs. Fs means this is equal to 1.5 F naught. So this is 3 by 2 F naught. 2 cancel out. This is equal to 3 F naught. So F dash is equal to 3 F naught. Now in option D, the apparent frequency is odd multiple of F naught, means option D is also matching. So option A and option D are correct one. Right?